क्या आपको डिसेंट DESCENT DECENT डिसेंट एंड DISSENT डिसेंट इन वर्ड्स के बीच में डिफरेंस का पता है? अगर आपको नहीं पता तो इस वीडियो को एंड तक देके आपको इन तीन अल्फाज के मीनिंग्स का समझ आ जाएगा. सो DESCENT is a noun and it has three meanings. The first meaning of it is the action of descending, means going down, नीचे जाना, या ziwal. For example, the aeroplane started its descent from 20,000 feet. Second इसका meaning है a downhill incline. For example, it features a long steep descent that is ideal for advanced skiers. Third meaning इसका है family origin. For example, she is from Indian descent. फिर इसके बाद DECENT descent है जो कि एक एडजेक्टिव है. For example, इसका मतलब क्या है? It means civilized, good or adequate. एग्जाम्पल देख लेते हैं. 98% of the adults here are decent hard-working citizens. So that is a decent plate per food या food. थर्ड हमारे पास वर्ड है DISSENT. इसका मतलब क्या है? Dissent can be a noun meaning a difference of opinion or a verb meaning to disagree. Means as a noun इसका मतलब होगा disagreement and as a verb इसका meaning होगा disagree करना. For example, the referee has given him a red card for dissent. Acceptance of dissent is the fundamental requirement of a free society. इसमें भी as a noun यूज हुआ है, पहले सेंटेंस में भी as a noun यूज हुआ है. But see the last sentence, I will dissent if you continue with this course of action. इसमें dissent as a verb यूज हुआ है. So the basic difference क्या है? DISSENT dissent का मतलब है disagreement या disagree करना. Means as a verb as a noun यूज होता है दोनों तरह. But DECENT is an adjective यूज होता है जिसका मतलब है civilized, good या adequate. and इसके बाद फिर DESCENT descent means ziwal या नीचे की तरफ. So these were the three words that most of the times get readers and writers confused. So they are sold.